Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. I am here with a little haul that I got at the local dollar store. And yes, you can see the price tag. $1.50 for these guys. It's the Mega Bloks Despicable Me Boos, or Halloween Minions, I guess you want to call them. Now, as far as I can tell, there's only 2 in the whole series. There's only 2 figures. And I went through everything. And of course, on the back, they have the little stamp codes on the back. A12046ES, and this is A13046ES. And now the 2 stores, they're all the same, 12 and 13. So obviously, and you can obviously tell the difference too, because the number 13 is bigger and 12 is not. And like out of the haul they had, out of 15 of them that I purchased, I don't have them all here, but out of all that I purchased, there was only 12 and 13. So that leads me to believe there was only 2 in the series, which is very odd because you think there'd be 5 or 6 like they had with all their other figures. Anyway, that doesn't matter. Let's just pop them open and see what they are. Okay, so we're going to open number 12 first off, and so we're going to open number 12 here. Okay, so the instructions come out. Yeah, and there again, there is only 2 of them. So that's it. There is only 2. There's only 2 to the series, so that's pretty cool. This is like Fireman Bob, I guess. Yeah, Fireman Bob. And we'll build him in a second. Let's open this guy. Oops. Here comes a pair of his eyes. Sounds like Bob and Kevin. I think it's Bob. Yep. Okay, so there he is. It's his vampire cape. That is what's so big about it. That's what's so big in this set. Okay, so let's put them together. Maybe. His arms. Oh, his arms don't move. Oh, okay. So they got his arms going through this cape here, right here. So we have to take his arms off in order to do that. So I'll do that. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I have them built, and I'm just going to move these boxes out of the way here, and here they are. And the bricks are even printed as A12 and A13, and they are made in China. They're not made here in Canada or the US or Mexico, where most of their stuff is coming from now, Mexico. And yeah, so they're made in the China plant. So at first off, I was like, are these actually real Mega Bloks products? And I'm even still questioning it because I haven't found them anywhere else. But anyway, that's sort of beside the point. The thing is that I believe that they're very, very good quality, and they're really, really neat to have them as like a Halloween style theme for the Minions, or whatever you want to use them for. This guy has his little jack-o'-lantern light, and this guy has either a light or a treat bucket, I guess, or maybe that could be a treat bucket too. And Bob is dressed up as a fireman, and Kevin has got his vampire thing going on, which I think is really cute. Now, something I noticed is that they have articulated feet. Yes, they move back and forth and side to side. That is really sweet. You don't see that too much with that you have in minifigures. That you have in minifigures or figures of any of that sort. And of course, their arms and hands are also articulated too. So that's what I really like about the Mega Bloks products. A lot more diversity with these products than your standard Lego minifigure. Anyway, that's these 2 Halloween guys. They're just saying boo, they're out for a good night on the town. And, well, Bob, I don't know what to say. Kevin, I don't know what to say either. I don't know what to say either. Except, Happy Halloween! Boo! Anyway, if you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, don't forget to say so down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel as usual. And I will be back with another video very soon, and we will talk then. In the meantime, take care, happy building, and if you can dream it, you can build it. Happy Halloween!